Hi everyone, I hope you guys are all doing great. So today I'm gonna talk about some of my picks, why I invested in them, how long I'm planning to hold on to them, and what is the thesis behind why I choose those stocks. So I got a feedback from a few people that they want me to break down everything as much as I can. So that's what I'm going to try to do in this video. The first stock that I'm going to talk about is ticker symbol AMY in Canada and AMYZF in US. It's a company called American Manganese. During past couple months, we saw a massive rise and a spike in stocks that are offering or mining the material that are required in electrical batteries. I think these type of companies like lithium mining or graphite mining are not a great long-term investment. Here is why. By 2040, it is expected that 40% of the vehicles on the road in US to be electric vehicles. How long we can mining these materials? Eventually we're gonna run out. So these are not a sustainable way of making electric batteries. And if you listen to Elon Musk, during Battery Day, he also mentioned the same thing.
It's been done by third parties, but we think we can recycle the batteries more effectively, especially since our batteries, we're making the same battery as the thing we're recycling. So
unlike these mining companies, American Manganese is choosing a different approach. They are currently working on recycling the material inside the batteries, which is the sustainable way of making electric batteries. There are a couple companies right now that are trying to work on this subject and on this matter. Many of them, they don't even have a facility. But unlike those companies, American Manganese is a solid company. They also got a contract with a US Defense Logistics Agency recently that shows that their company is legit. There is also a risk with this investment. We should remember that all these companies that are working on this subject right now, they are in research and development stage. That means that they actually don't have a solution to this topic, and rather they are just working and researching on it. So there is always a risk that they can never come up with a solution. I personally got into this company at around $1 when I alerted in my Discord, and I'm up now around 70%. We saw this stock jumping crazy during past months, but I think there is still room for it to go up. Here is the reason. Another company called ABML that is trading in US stock right now is trading at around 3.8 or $4, and they are saying that they are working on the same topic. Once I did a research on them, I couldn't find any facility, and rather it's just an idea. So I believe if a company with just an idea can trade around $4, I think AMY and American Manganese should reach the same level. This is the reason that I think we still have a room for run up. Another company that I want to talk about is XL Fleet, ticker symbol XL. This company is a legit company that is another EV play, and it's heavily shorted right now. The short float for this stock is over 70%. If you don't know what short float is and how short squeeze can cause a huge jump in a stock price, please go back to my previous video and please make sure to watch it as I explain in detail how short squeeze causes stock to jump crazy. The share price in XL dropped from high $30 to around $20, which is trading right now. This company is a legit company. As you can see here, they have a contract with City of Boston, and as you can see in the next picture, their sales is expected to rise by almost 2x in 2021. So this is the company that I expect we're gonna see a short squeeze very soon. If you look at the technical analysis, this in the chart, you see the $22 is the major resistance. Once we break past this $22 and hold, that's where we can expect a short squeeze to start happening. The next target after that will be $25, and I believe because of the high short float in this stock, we can see this goes back to around $30. So this is another play that I have a high hope for. The last company that I want to talk about is a company called Taiwanese Semiconductor, and is trading under ticker symbol TSM in US market. Taiwanese Semiconductor is a global manufacturer of chips. Chips are being used every day in different components. They are used in computer, laptops, phones, even in your cars. So they are in high demand across the world. During past couple months, you probably heard about the news that the world is facing a chip shortage. And that happened because after pandemic, everything started becoming remote and many people purchased laptops to work from home. For this reason, we see a chip shortage across the world. Many countries like Germany, they ask Taiwanese Semiconductor to increase their production to help them with this shortage. So I expect this company to go up over the next few months, slow and steady. Just want to mention that since this company TSM is trading at a high value over $100, if you go in with anything less than 10,000, you probably won't get a good return on it, because these type of companies with a strong fundamentals, they are not pump and dump. They don't usually jump like 20-30% in a day or in a month. So if you want to invest in them, you have to put more money to get the return that you like. At the end, thanks for watching. I have a free Discord that I post live signals when I buy, when I sell a stock. I leave the link down in the description. And if you want to be notified for my next video, make sure to turn on your post notification, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's trade smart. Until next time.